Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're eager to step into the exciting world of photography and searching for the perfect digital camera to start your creative journey, you're in the right spot. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 digital cameras designed with beginners in mind, offering the ideal mix of user-friendly features, exceptional image quality, and budget-friendly value. Whether you're looking to move beyond smartphone snapshots or capture life's moments with professional flair, these cameras are packed with intuitive controls, compact designs, and powerful performance to help you level up your skills with confidence. Let's dive in and find the one that's right for you. Coming in at number 5, we have the Canon EOS R100. This camera is perfect for anyone who's looking to dip their toes into mirrorless photography. It's lightweight, compact, and delivers stunning image quality with a 24.1 megapixel sensor. What makes this a great choice for beginners is its intuitive controls, continuous autofocus, and a fully articulated touchscreen. Plus, it's part of Canon's EOS R series, meaning you'll have access to a wide variety of lenses down the line. At number 4, we have the Nikon Z50 II. If you're someone who loves the feel of a traditional DSLR but wants the compactness of a mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z52 is a fantastic option. It comes with a 20.9 megapixel sensor and offers great low-light performance, perfect for indoor or evening shoots. One standout feature of the Z52 is its sharp 4K video capability, making it a great choice for aspiring videographers. It's user-friendly, with customizable controls, and comes with built-in wireless features for easy sharing. The design is sleek, and the viewfinder is crystal clear. Next up at number 3 is the Olympus EM10 Mark IV. This one is for those who want portability without sacrificing performance. With a 20.3 megapixel sensor and 5-axis in-body stabilization, the EM10 Mark IV helps you get sharp shots even when you're on the move. Not only is it lightweight, but it also packs some fantastic creative modes, including art filters, which is perfect for beginners who love experimenting with different looks. Plus, with its flip-down touchscreen, it's a great choice for vlogging or selfies. Coming in at number 2, we have the Sony Alpha 6400. This camera is a powerhouse for its size. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and exceptional autofocus that tracks subjects with ease, the Alpha 6400 is ideal for both photography and video. Whether you're capturing action shots or portraits, you can rely on its fast performance. Another great feature is its 4K video recording with full pixel readout, making it a top choice for budding filmmakers. It's also compact, so you can take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. And finally, at number 1, the Canon EOS R10. If you're looking for a camera that's fast, versatile, and packed with features, this is it. With its 24.2 megapixel sensor and dual pixel autofocus, the R10 delivers crisp and accurate shots every time. Plus, it shoots 4K video, so whether you're a photographer or a content creator, you'll get professional-level results. What makes the Canon EOS R10 stand out for beginners is its ease of use. It has a high-speed continuous shooting mode, so you never miss a moment, and the touchscreen is easy to navigate. The camera is lightweight, making it perfect for travel or daily use. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited about, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. All the camera links are down below in the description, so be sure to check them out. Happy shooting, and I'll see you in the next video.